What's the best way to manage diabetes? In this video, I will talk about fiber, protein, and fats because they matter a lot in managing diabetes. They act as a buffer on your blood sugar levels after you eat. So keep that in mind when you were asking me how much of the protein we need to take on daily basis, how much of the carbs or the fats. There is no one line answer for all because we all are different. Everybody has different response towards different foods. If one thing works for one person, it might not work for other person. So you have to be more mindful. You have to work closely with your endocrinologist or your dietitian or any of the healthcare professional you are working with to figure out what works best for you. Because you know your body best, you know what works really good for you and how your body responds towards that. Some diabetics eat one food and their blood sugar still spike, and there are other people who eat the same food and their blood sugar won't spike. But one of the easy tip I'll give you to the newly diagnosed diabetics is that balance your meal with protein, fiber, and fats. Because they act as a buffer and they will help you with the steady blood sugar levels all day long. So my number one recommendation for diabetics is that don't just eat carbs. Instead, pair it with a good source of fat or the protein. For example, if you are eating an apple, pair it with nuts or seeds, or you can have nut butter like peanut butter, or you can eat it with the cottage cheese. So all of these options are available. You can choose any of the source of the fat and the protein along with the carbs you are eating.